future depends on what we do today. The future depends on what we do today. Respected President, honorable guests, respected teachers, and my dear friend, a very happy Independence Day to one and all. Today I stand before you with a dream that shines in every patriotic heart. It is not just my dream. It is not just my dream, it is the dream of every Indian who believes that our nation can become the greatest example of humanity, peace and progress. My topic is My Dream India, a nation of hope, harmony and progress. 79 years ago, our brave freedom fighters sacrificed their comfort, their happiness and even their life so that we could breathe in the air of freedom. They gave us independence, but they also entrusted with a great responsibility to build the India with their dream. My dream India is a nation where hope replaces fear, where every child has access to quality education, every youth has meaningful opportunities, every farmer is respected, every soldier is honored and every citizen can live with dignity. I dream of an India where no child goes to bed hungry, no girl denied education, no elderly person left helpless and no one judged because of religion, caste, languages or economic background. My dream India is a nation of harmony. India is just like a beautiful garden where the people of different religions, different languages, different cultures bloom like a colorful flower. Just as a garden becomes beautiful because of its variety, the India became stronger because of its diversity. Let us remember different religions, different languages, different traditions, but one identity. We are Indian first. Hatred divides, but love unites. Violence destroys, but peace builds. Selfishness weakens, but unity strengthens. Let us always choose harmony over hatred and humanity over division. My dream India is also a nation of progress. I dream of clean rivers, green forests, smart villages, advanced technology, world-class education, quality healthcare, scientific innovation and sustainable development. I dream of an India where women work fearlessly, where corruption has no place and where honesty becomes our greatest strength. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam once said, dream, dream, dream. Dream transform into thoughts and thoughts result in action. Friends, we are not just the citizen of tomorrow. We are the responsible citizen of today. Our book teaches knowledge. Our teachers teach us values. Our parents teach us character and our nation expects us to become honest, disciplined, compassionate and hard-working citizen. If every student plant one tree, if every student respect every religion, if every student follow the laws, if every student studies sincerely, then India will not just become a developed nation. It will become an inspiration to the entire world. My dream India often is India where the smile of every child is protected, the dignity of every woman is respected, the dream of every youth are encouraged and the sacrifices of freedom fighter can always be remembered. Before I conclude, let me ask you a question. If not us, then who? If not us, then who? If not now, then when? If not now, then when? The answer is simple. The future of India begins with us. So let us promise today that we will not only celebrate our freedom, but also protect it with unity, honesty and responsibility. I conclude with this inspiring word. Nation's greatest strength is not found in buildings or weapons, but in generation that transform hope into action, harmony into unity, and progress into reality. Together, let us build the India our freedom fighter dream of and India's future generation will be proud of. My dream India is not just as a dream. My dream India is not just as a dream, it is our mission, our responsibility and our destiny. It is our mission, our responsibility and our destiny. Jai Hind. Thank you.